All right, welcome back everyone to the deep dive. As exporters, we're always looking for an edge in the market, and today we're going to dive into something that could be a real game changer, especially if you're in the fresh produce game. We're talking about the Alweer Central WhatsApp channel.
That's right.
Now, I know what you might be thinking, another WhatsApp group, but trust me, this one is different. And to help break it all down, we've got our expert here who's, let's just say, very familiar with the ins and outs of this channel.
Yeah, I've been following it closely, and I've got to say, it's an invaluable resource, particularly for exporters to the UAE.
Okay, so before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. This channel is all about transparency, providing daily price updates and market insights directly to your phone. And let's be real, in the world of fresh produce, that kind of intel is gold.
Absolutely. I mean, think about it. The aloe market is the heart of the UAE's fresh produce trade.
Right.
Knowing what's happening there, the price trends, the supply and demand, that's crucial for making informed decisions and ultimately for maximizing profits.
Exactly, and that's where this channel comes in. So let's break down some of its key features and benefits. First and foremost, daily price insights. We're talking real-time updates delivered right to your phone before 2 p.m. Dubai time.
Which is when a lot of the key trading decisions are being made.
Exactly.
So having that up-to-the-minute information can really give you an edge. I mean, imagine you're an exporter in, say, India or Kenya.
Yeah.
You need to know what prices are doing in the UAE so you can decide whether or not it's even worth shipping your produce that day.
Right, because those prices can fluctuate, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's a dynamic market. Prices can vary depending on a whole host of factors like, product quality, demand, even shipping logistics.
So having that real-time data from the Alweer Central Channel helps you navigate those choppy waters.
Precisely. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the equation.
No, it's not just about raw numbers either. I mean, we're not all data analysts.
Okay.
But the channel goes a step further. It presents the data visually, using graphs and charts, which I think is so helpful.
Oh, absolutely. It's a lot easier to digest and understand trends when you can actually see them laid out in front of you.
For sure. And they even break down key pricing metrics. We've all heard of these terms, but to remind us, we're talking about the mean, the median, and the mode.
Right. So the mean is basically the average price.
Okay.
The median is the middle price in the entire range of prices.
Got it.
And the mode is the most frequent price. Seeing all three of these metrics together gives you a really comprehensive understanding of where the market's at.
It's like having a market analyst right in your pocket.
Exactly.
Now, on top of the daily updates, this channel also provides monthly statistical breakdowns.
Yeah, that's another great feature. It helps you track price fluctuations over a longer period.
And identify emerging patterns.
Exactly. You can start to see, okay, what's the overall trend? Is the market going up? Is it going down? Are there any seasonal patterns I need to be aware of?
Right, so it's really helpful for long-term planning and making those strategic decisions about your exports.
Absolutely. I mean, it's all about staying ahead of the curve, anticipating market shifts, and making sure you're getting the best possible returns.
Now, we've talked a lot about data and analytics, but the Alweer Central Channel also has this really strong community aspect.
Yes, and that's what makes it really unique. It's not just about receiving information passively.
Right.
It's also about being part of a community of like-minded exporters.
And they have the community Q&A feature, which is really cool.
Yeah, so exporters can ask specific questions. Maybe they're facing a particular challenge or they're unsure about something, and they can get answers from experts who really know the UAE market.
That's awesome.
And what's even better is that the insights from those Q&A sessions are then shared with the entire community.
So it's like a collective learning experience.
Exactly. Everyone benefits.
I love that. Now, before we wrap up, I want to bring it back to our listeners, the exporters out there. I mean, we've covered a lot of ground here, but ultimately, why should they care about this channel?
It's simple, really. This channel gives you the tools and insights you need to make informed decisions, to minimize risks, and maximize profits. I mean, imagine you're an exporter who's been thinking about entering the UAE market.
Right.
This channel can help you assess the viability of that move. You can see what prices are doing, understand the demand for your specific products, and get a feel for the competitive landscape.
And that could potentially save you from some costly missteps.
Exactly. On the other hand, maybe you're already exporting to the UAE, but you're looking for ways to improve your margins.
Yeah.
Well, the channel can help you identify new opportunities. Maybe there's a particular product that's in high demand that you weren't aware of, or maybe there's a way to optimize your shipping logistics to reduce costs.
So really, it's about giving you that competitive edge.
Absolutely. Knowledge is power. And in the fast-paced world of fresh produce exports, having access to this kind of real-time market intelligence can make all the difference.
It sounds like it. So to recap, the Allaware Central WhatsApp channel offers daily price insights, data visualization, expert advice, and a supportive community, all in one convenient platform. I mean, what more could an exporter ask for?
It's a powerful tool.
It is. So as we wrap up today's deep dive, here's a thought to leave you with. If you could have a direct line to the pulse of the Allaware market, wouldn't you take it? Think about how that kind of knowledge could transform your export business.
Definitely something to consider.
All right, that's it for today's deep dive. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
See ya.